How to change the username on your Windows PC from the control panel. Potential issues. Changing your username might affect some applications or programs. It's advisable to back up important data before making any significant changes to your system. Local account versus Microsoft account. These methods primarily apply to local accounts. If you're using a Microsoft account, you'll need to change your display name within your Microsoft account settings online. There are other methods to change the username, but we will be doing it from the control panel. Let's get started by opening the control panel on your PC. To open the control panel, press the Windows key plus the R key on your keyboard. Type Control and press Enter. In the control panel window, change the view to large icons or small icons. Once the control panel open, navigate to User Accounts. To change your account name, click on Change Your Account Name. Enter your new desired username in the provided field. Once you entered the new username, you can click Change Name. The username will change when you restart your system. You can close the window and restart your PC. After changing your username, it's recommended to restart your computer for the changes to take effect fully. I will now restart my PC to see the changes. Once your system restarts, your Windows username will be changed. I hope this guide helps you to change your username successfully. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.